Looking for a vertical rod holder with storage? This old-fashioned snag magnet used to be your only option. 3 cheap tubes attached to 2 pieces of flimsy sharp-edge plastic. It's unsafe and easy to break. Presenting the RPD Pro Series rod holder. Engineered and made by Revolution Product Development in North Carolina, it's the rod holder reinvented. Each is meticulously handcrafted to be the best rod holder money can buy. For starters, it's super tough. You can't break it even if you tried. Made of crazy strong rotomolded plastic like top-of-the-line coolers and kayaks, its one-piece construction is virtually indestructible. You can run over it, over and over, and it just won't break. So no worries about cracking it with your tackle box or anchor. It's made to last a lifetime in extreme, real-world marine conditions, unfazed by sun, salt water, or even the harshest cleaning chemicals. With ample room for 2 sets of pliers, 2 fillet knives, and 6 lures, it's also extremely safe. Old-school rod holders leave razor-sharp fillet blades exposed. Not with the RPD Pro Series rod holder. Our modern design safely covers knife blades and hook barbs. Its smooth, rounded shape won't leave a bruise or scratch if you bump into it with your thigh or foot. Drop bait or fish guts inside it? No problem. Simply stick a hose in one of the openings and wash them away through the 2 1-inch drain holes. Adding soap or bleach? It won't hurt it. With 4 chrome-plated stainless screws for maximum corrosion resistance, a 3/16-inch drill bit, and number 3 driver, we've included everything you need to make it easy to install. You can mount it almost anywhere, your boat, truck, garage, or dock. Comes in black, white, or olive drab green. And you can't scratch off the finish. The color's molded all the way through for a rich satin finish that will never fade. To learn more about our other marine products, visit revolutionpd.com or call 919-949-0241.